Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products.
Today, we're diving into the world of license plate fasteners with the Dorman 785-162 license plate fasteners.
If you're looking for the best license plate bolts and nuts on the market, you've come to the right place.
The Dorman 785-162 license plate fasteners are designed to be a direct replacement for your vehicle's original fasteners,
ensuring a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. Made from durable nylon and featuring a powder-coated finish,
these fasteners not only look sleek in black but are built to withstand the elements, ensuring they remain rust-free and weather-resistant. While there are many license plate fasteners out there, the Dorman 785-162 stands out due to its combination of quality, durability, and affordability. Compared to stainless steel or aluminum options, the nylon construction offers unique benefits in terms of weather resistance and longevity. In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliable license plate fasteners that won't break the bank, the Dorman 785-162 is an excellent choice.
Whether you're replacing old fasteners or upgrading to something more durable, these fasteners offer quality and peace of mind. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations.
Until next time, drive safe and choose wisely.